Hello everyone, my name is Sahara Lotti. I'm the founder CEO of Lashify. Here at Lashify, we make things that we want. Now, I've decided to come out with a new potion called Magic Purple Oil. Why is a lash extension company with 600 patents worldwide making a purple magic oil? The answer is because we can. I want it to be purple. I want it to have the most incredible ingredients. Argan oil, camellia oil. I don't want any mineral oils in there. I want to be able to use it for my nails, for my skin, for my face, for my hair. Let's get started. How does one concoct something inside of their lab? Well, it's very similar to when you're a child and you're doing a magic spell. You come in and you just throw everything in there. The making of Magic Purple Oil. First of all, let's throw in some lavender for a beautiful purple tone. Blueberries, you know what? And let's do a little bit of almonds. I love a good almond. Also, the most important thing for Magic Purple Oil, the scent. I was looking for a nostalgic scent. Perfect. Now, we're going to allow it to marinate for a little while. I'll wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Introducing Magic Purple Oil. Put it everywhere. No, I don't mean there. Few more lavender. Anytime you really want the product to be good, you want to dance to the gods with an offering. You smell it and it just takes you back into time. Tell us where you apply Magic Purple Oil. Please do not apply on private parts. Baby yourself. Coochie coochie cuckoo with Magic Purple Oil. Magic Purple Oil. Oil for adults. It can't be an oil for adults.